Okay, so we were going to take a fishing trip, but when we were getting ready, realized that the tilt trip on this on the boat doesn't work. It's completely dead. Try to bring it up and down. Nothing. So we're stuck. This is a Yamaha. This is a Yamaha 200 horsepower, and the tilt trim seems to be no, it's messed up. It doesn't go up and down. So we got to troubleshoot to see what could be the problem. I'm suspecting it's the relay. So we'll probably be replacing the relay on this vehicle, on this motor. So here is the box where the relay is at, and we're gonna open it up and fix it. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna need 10mm socket. There's 2 screws down here. Okay, the screws are here. There's one. That one we're removing. It's a Phillips. Should be easy. I like my hands out of the way there. So you have one. Pretty simple. It's 2 screws, and this should easily take the top off. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna first I'm gonna test and see if in fact it is the relay. The way I do that is, I'm gonna remove the blue wire. The blue is up, and then the green is down. So that's what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to be removing these screws. You need a 10mm wrench. I'm going to first remove the green to do the test. There it is. So I removed the nut from the green. Green is ground, down, blue up with the sky. So I'm going to test and see. This is our test you can do. So you can determine if it's the relay or it's the motor. So I'm going to just touch the green. I'm going to touch it to the red here. And sure enough, it goes down. So that means the motor is fine. I'll just put this one back temporarily. And then I'll test the up, see if it goes up. Again, it's the 10mm wrench. I'll loosen it up. So just remove that. So I can remove the screw from the blue, which blue is up. Okay. So this is the blue. I'm going to touch it to the red. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove the other connections that are here. You have the negative. Here. There we go. It's got a washer. It's a little washer here. Okay, and then it's got the nut. Put those away. That removes the negative connection here. Then I got to remove positive, again 10 millimeters. Removing that has a washer also, so just be careful you don't drop it. Like I just did. And then we get the washer here. It's in there. I'll get it later on. Okay, so that's the and then you have the 2 millimeter screws that hold the relay to the motor, and then you have a connection here which is a clip-on. Just snap that off. This is part of the relay. It's this one happens to be the two prong right there, and that's already removed. So all that's left is for me to take these screws out. I already loosened them. Okay, that's one of them. Pretty long. And then there's another one here inside this area here. If I could get a shot of that. Screw out at least. It just came out. There's the screw was in there.